Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use ChatGPT to write a tweet for you, or how to use ChatGPT to respond to a tweet for you. Okay, so we are going to use a Google Chrome extension called TweetGPT. I'm gonna press enter. The first link you can see here, it says chrome.google.com. Open that link. So this is the extension we are looking for. This is the one we need to install. I'm gonna go back to Twitter, show you something. Okay, let's say this tweet here. Okay, let's say this tweet. I'm gonna open this tweet. Let's say I want to respond to this tweet. As you can see here right now, you can't see ChatGPT icon under here. Okay, it's not here. Okay, so now we are going to install it. This is the extension. It got already 5,000 plus users. So I'm gonna click add to Chrome. Okay, I'm gonna click add extension. As you can see, it's downloading it. It's adding it. Look like it's almost done. You're gonna see it up here. It's adding it. I think it's done. It's checking. You can see here. It should pop up somewhere on top here. Just wait. As you can see, it's done. Okay, now let's go back to Twitter. Let's refresh this page. I'm gonna click to respond to this tweet. Now I got ChatGPT here. Okay, if you click here, if you want to give a positive response to this tweet, you click supportive. Okay, optimistic or whatever you want. Okay, let's say supportive. You can close this window. I'm gonna go back, click supportive. As you can see, it's busy. No, it didn't write. Yep, it writes something, as you can see here. Okay, you see how it look like. You see, so you can respond from here. But if you want to tweet, you can come here, click excited. I'm gonna say excited. Watch out, it's gonna write a tweet for you about being excited. As you can see, it's busy typing. It's flashing. See, it's done. You see, so we can tweet Nice, right? I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.